Despite the depiction shown in the movies, heart attacks do not always produce symptoms that cause the person to clutch their heart and collapse on the floor. Most of the time, it comes silently without causing any pain and discomfort and takes away the life of the person quietly. According to the American Heart Association, these silent heart attacks account for more than 20% of deaths each year, and most of the time it causes the death of the person due to lack of treatment. However, medical professionals have diagnosed quite a few signs that can help one prevent a silent heart attack. You will be quite surprised to find that some of these signs are so common. But before we hop into the video, please do subscribe to our channel. We post new videos every week. What do we mean by a silent heart attack? A silent heart attack, also medically termed as silent ischemia, is a type of myocardial infarction that produces no symptoms, minimal symptoms, or unrecognizable signs. However, a silent heart attack is like any other type of heart attack. Our heart needs oxygen-rich blood to function. When the blood flow to a section of the heart gets temporarily blocked due to the building of plaque in the coronary blood vessels, then it leads to damage and scarring of the heart muscles. The longer the heart does not receive any blood supply, the more damage occurs, and since most of the time silent heart attacks go unnoticed, a significant amount of damage already occurs, and without any proper treatment, it gets more deadly. Silent heart attacks are more common in women than in men, accounting for more than 39% of cases. Symptoms of silent heart attacks. Like as you can quite deduce, silent heart attacks often go unnoticed as they rarely produce any symptoms. However, some minute symptoms can actually help in diagnosing whether the person is suffering from silent myocardial infarction or not. Number 1. Nausea and cold sweats. Waking up in cold sweats or feeling nauseated and vomiting are one of the most common symptoms of a silent heart attack. However, a person often discards these symptoms as signs of being under the weather. But ignoring these signs and not taking proper precautions can sometimes cost you your dear life. However, we do understand that nausea and cold sweats are often the symptoms of high blood pressure or flu too. Therefore, look for these following symptoms too. Number 2. Breathing difficulties and dizziness. You might just be laying down on your bed, but when experiencing a silent heart attack, you might feel that you just have run half a marathon. Difficulty in breathing often signifies that your heart is not able to pump the required blood supply to the rest of the body. One can even feel lightheaded or dizzy in these cases, and in some extreme cases, one can even faint. Number 3. Discomfort in the body. A silent heart attack does not only affect your heart, it causes discomfort in your entire body as well. One can feel pain and uncomfortable pressure on their arms, stomach, jaws, neck, and back. These symptoms generally vary from person to person, but these are the most diagnosable symptoms that help in identifying situations of a silent heart attack. Number 4. Chest pain. Pain from a heart attack is sudden and intense and therefore are recognizable, but in the case of a silent heart attack, the pain is extremely mild or slight discomfort at the center of the heart. One can even feel light squeezing, fullness or pressure on their chest. Some of the above mentioned symptoms are often associated with other ailments as well, and therefore most people tend to ignore these signs, but there is a thumb rule that might help you to diagnose. Heart attack is caused due to lack of availability of oxygen for the heart. Therefore, upon increasing your activity, like if you were standing when you were feeling the discomfort in your body and shortness of breath, then try to lay down. If the symptoms continue to worsen or even aggravate, then you are likely suffering from a silent heart attack and you must take medical help immediately. How to prevent silent heart attacks? Tweaking some minute changes in your lifestyle can go a long way. Therefore, some of the most common measures that can help in preventing a silent heart attack are: Number 1. Know the risk factors that cause silent heart attacks, like having the age of 45 or older for male and 55 or older for female. Ailments like diabetes, high blood pressure and cholesterol, excess weight and lack of exercising, use of tobacco and high alcohol consumption, prior heart attack or having a family history of myocardial infarction. Number 2. Keep blood cholesterol and blood pressure in check. Number 3. Exercise regularly and keep a check on weight. Number 4. Lead a healthy lifestyle altogether. Now there you go. Hopefully the video was able to solve some of your queries regarding silent heart attacks. Silent myocardial infarction may provide minimal symptoms, but these small symptoms mentioned in the video upon observation should not be ignored at all. If you notice any of the signs, contact your closed ones immediately and reach the nearest hospital. With proper medications and treatments, your condition would then be treated immediately and you will be restored back to your health soon. Now that we have reached the end of the video, if you found this video helpful, then please do like, share, subscribe to our channel and comment down below. We promise to keep coming up with such informative videos in the future as well.